December is here, and as we wrap up 2024, I'm excited to bring you the latest updates and features from the world of professional smart home. My name is Ben Davies, and join me as I take you through the last 4 weeks of industry news. This month, we'll explore cutting-edge technologies in acoustic treatment and home automation platforms. We'll dive into the evolution of smart home industry, highlight an award-winning project by Mega AV, and find out about the latest CEDIA membership news. Plus, we will look ahead to the industry's biggest trade event, ISE 2025 in Barcelona. Grab a cuppa and let's get started. Acoustic treatment has come a long way, evolving from purely functional solutions to design-savvy features that blend seamlessly into modern interiors. The December issue of Essential Install dives into the science of innovation driving this transformation. At its core, acoustic treatment is about managing sound reflections, absorption, and diffusion to optimize audio clarity in any space. From home cinemas to dining rooms, strategic use of acoustic panels, bass traps, and diffusers can drastically improve sound quality while enhancing the room's aesthetic appeal. Whether you're designing a high-end home cinema or creating a peaceful home office, acoustic treatments now offer the perfect balance of performance and style. For more insights, check out the full article on page 48 of the latest Essential Install. This month, CEDIA has announced a wonderful new membership tier to its offerings. Effective from January 2025, members will be able to join either a starter, professional, or premium level package. Here is Matt Nimmons to tell us a little more about this membership overhaul.
Thanks, Ben, and hi to everyone. It's Matt here from CEDIA. I'm excited to share a quick update on the new changes we're making to our integrator categories for 2025. We've introduced a new tiered structure designed to support businesses at every stage of their journey in the smart home industry. So let me walk you through the tiers. First up, we have our starter membership. This level is tailored for newcomers taking their first steps as a smart home professional. You can join as an individual or as a company, which will extend the member benefits to all employees. Starter members get up to 2 years at this level to access the key benefits, including member pricing on CEDIA Education and free access to our extensive library of white papers. But the new addition for this category now is they'll also get free access to the cabling and infrastructure online pathway, which is valued at £900 if you were a non-member. So moving on to the next tier, professional membership. This tier closely mirrors the current home technology integrator category. While you will notice a price increase for next year, which by the way is the first time we've increased prices in 35 years, and we hope you understand this adjustment, which will add just £6.25 per month to your member dues. You can still access all the same current benefits, but in addition, this category now also includes free access for your entire team to the cabling and infrastructure pathway via our new online learning portal, thus ensuring your current team and any future hires have the tools to succeed from day one. Now, the final tier we're introducing is premium, and this will be our most comprehensive tier packed with benefits for the member. It includes perks like early access to new products and events and elevated placement on our Finder service. However, the biggest upgrade, premium membership unlocks our entire online education catalogue. All the courses on the CEDIA Learning Portal are included at no additional cost. So whether you're after technical training or business courses, you and your team can access everything for free. The new pricing for this tier will be £749 per year. So, to wrap up, we're confident that these updates will better align with your needs, providing your business with the right tools and resources at every stage of your career as you build your business in the smart home industry. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me, CEDIA Steve, or simply email member@cedia.org. I now hand you back to Ben in the studio, and I wish you all a very Merry Christmas.
To dive deeper into CEDIA's new membership scheme, head to their website, which will be listed below. Integrating diverse smart home systems into a unified and seamless experience is one of the most complex challenges faced by custom integrators today. The December issue of Essential Install dives into this topic, exploring the innovative strategies that bridge gaps between control platforms like Control4, Crestron Home and Nice Home Management. Each platform has its unique philosophy for device control, making unification tricky, especially for lighting systems where some, like Dynalight, rely on preset-based architecture, while others expect individual load control. To overcome these challenges, custom driver development acts as a translator, ensuring systems can communicate effectively without compromising functionality over user experience. By leveraging advanced driver development and thoughtful integration strategies, the article showcases how today's integrators can deliver truly cohesive smart home experiences that meet the high expectations of modern users. For the full story and practical insights, check out page 42 of Essential Install. Now, let's take a look at the incredible project by Zach and the team at Mega AB. Their Joy Division room is a stunning tribute to both design and technology, creating an immersive space that is as beautiful as it is functional. I interviewed the multi-award winner from this year's CEDIA Awards to get his take on the project. Hello, Zach, and welcome. And I want to say, firstly, congratulations for all of the CEDIA awards that you picked up this year. I think there were more than two, wasn't there? Was there?
Yeah, three.
Three CEDIA awards. I'd say that was a good year, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it was. Wasn't expecting any of it, to be honest. But yeah, cool.
It was a fabulous project. So the project's called Joy Division. Is that correct?
Joy Division room. Yeah.
Yes, so just give me a little bit of a brief overview of what the room entailed.
Basically, the whole look of the room was idea of an architect. It was inspired by the record cover from Joy Division album. Client being a former music journalist, immediately bought the idea, and that's how it all happened, basically.
Amazing. I mean, it is an incredible room, and we will have videos obviously showing what the room looks like. What brands did you kind of go to which you thought that this was? Was there something particular that the client was going for, or did you steer them towards certain brands that you thought, wow, this is going to nail this?
I mean, after a bit of thinking, because we did a visit to Bowers & Wilkins factory some 6 months before it started, and I basically saw everything that I need over there. So the whole apartment cinema room uses Bowers & Wilkins speakers.
Wow.
It's quite a lot of them, So,
go on then, just give me a brief spec of what speakers you've got in the room.
Above the screen, we have a left, right, center. Then we have the biggest custom installed subwoofer that Bowers is making. Then on the ends, each end, left and right, we have a 12-inch subwoofers, which are used for the hi-fi rig. There's another 15-inch subwoofer at the back of the room.
Wow.
And we have 6 speakers in the ceilings. 4 of them are for left, right, and back surround, and 2 are at the back of the room for the library music.
Amazing.
Also, there's Bowers & Wilkins sub amplifiers for all the basses, and Marantz AV10 and the power amplifier. They're taking duty of the audio side. There's also Sony 7000 4K native laser projector, and future automation lift, and there's Screen Excellence drop down 130 inches media time screen.
I mean, it's a fabulous space. Obviously, it's an apartment. Is that correct? Yeah.
Yeah, it is an apartment on the 8th floor, and basically it's a living space. So one of the requests was not technology to be completely invisible, which it is. So.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, would you say you were very surprised for winning the awards? Obviously, a lot of hard work, a beautiful room, and well deserved by any means. But what was the feeling like at the CEDIA Awards when those came in?
I mean, media room. Okay, I mean, I'm not going to say I was expecting it, but I know it was up there, with the, because considering all the work that went behind it.
Yeah.
The other one was technology meets design again. After, when it all settled down, yeah, I was like, yeah, okay, because we managed to fit so much stuff, and everything works nicely with the interior design. But the third one, the global one, was the surprise.
Yeah, that was incredible. And
Yeah, usually there is some crazy stuff going out there, especially in America, but yeah, I wasn't expecting that, so it's
I,
fine.
I think looking at the project from a global perspective, though, it was so unique. I think that's what set it apart for that award. That's my personal opinion, anyway. Yes, there were some incredible projects out there, but it's those one or two clients that come through ever so often that let you
Yeah,
run with their imagination, and it's an incredible experience to go through, isn't it?
yeah, unique. Yeah, unique. It's the right word. Everyone comes in, see the room and the ceiling, they go, wow.
Yeah.
So it goes from it's very different to wow, this is amazing. What's the story and all this. Then they even once they hear what is it all about, then get even more
Yeah.
appreciate it even more.
This is it. Well, Zach, really appreciate your time. I'm expecting to see even bigger things next year, so the pressure's on, my friend.
Yeah.
And we'll see you, I'm sure, around ISC and all the rest of the events that go on in the year.
Hopefully, yeah, we're looking forward to something new to come up, out of the blue, so we'll
This is
see.
it. Thank you, Zach.
Excellent.
Appreciate your time, my friend.
No worries. Thanks a lot.
Wow, what a room, and congratulations to Mega AV's outstanding achievement at the awards. Hot to the press, CAVD and Indigo Distribution, two leading names in the AV industry, will begin to work together in representing Nakima Tone invisible speakers and Black Nova keypads in the UK and Ireland markets. This collaboration brings together two forces in the industry to further highlight groundbreaking technology and state-of-the-art solutions for integrators seeking to elevate their projects. Let's head over to Jamie to tell us a bit more.
Hi everyone. We don't normally share our toys here at CAVD. However, when Indigo Distribution said they needed an invisible speaker solution, we thought, we'll share with those guys. Indigo Distribution, a very similar company to us in terms of ethos, support, customer experience. We thought, yeah, it's in good hands and we get on well anyway. So as of now, the Nakima Tone invisible speakers, one of which is here, will be available from us at CAVD and on demo here in our Marlow showroom to come and listen to, and also available from Indigo Distribution, and they'll have a set in their Northern Ireland office as well. So reach out if you need any technical information, if you want to come and book a demo, let either company know, we're happy to help. We strongly believe in the Nakima Tone. It's a fantastic brand, it sounds amazing. 4 different SKUs, stereo, good, better, best model, and 2 subs. So ticks loads of boxes. And reciprocating, we will be sharing Black Nova products here in our showroom in Marlow from Indigo Distribution. So reach out if you need anything, we're here to help.
Thanks, Jamie. Reach out to either the guys there or Indigo Distribution if you want to find out more or enjoy a demo. Finally, the biggest event on the smart home calendar is just around the corner. ISC 2025 in Barcelona. This world-leading trade show is the place to be for integrators, manufacturers, and innovators showcasing their latest products, trends, and technologies. Some media will be there, bringing you exclusive exhibitor stand tours, event highlights, and behind-the-scenes coverage. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of it. Before we wrap up though, I'd like to take a moment to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for joining us on this new endeavour, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting content in 2025. Our next episode will go live in early January, so stay tuned for even more insights and inspiration from the professional smart home industry. As always, this channel has been curated by Essential Install magazine, and you can find links to all the stories we've covered in the description below. If you want to be featured in our newscast, send your press releases to press@somemedia.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.